Namaskar.
Please speak.
Thank you, sir.
Submister.
Yes, sir.
Submister Priyadarshini. You are from a PhD scholar from OUT.
Yes, sir.
Soil Science.
Yes,
You have
sir.
completed. Continue.
No, sir, I'm continuing. I'm in second year.
You are doing your work on problematic soil.
Sir, I'm doing work on long-term manual practice.
Long term.
Long-term manual practice in acidic soil.
Give some idea.
Sir, it's a 15-year-long experiment. The experiment has already done. I have collected soil from last year. So after long-term manual experiment, what is the effect of carbon fraction for carbon sequestration? What is its forms of acidity? And what is phosphorus, available phosphorus status? I am studying those things.
How to check soil erosion?
So soil erosion can be checked for hilly terrain. So we can go for contour bonding and graded bonding. And for less than 2% slope, we can go for agronomical measures like planting erosion strips of erosion promoting crop, then strips of erosion resisting crop, then mulching to reduce to increase soil in water infiltration.
Okay, thank you. You have done PG in soil science from New Delhi.
Yes, sir.
What is the institution? IARI, CARI?
As Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Sir, soil science. Sir, agriculture.
Agriculture. How agriculture will help us in administration?
Sir,
Effectiveness.
Sir,
How
since
your agriculture, knowledge in agriculture will help us in administration.
Odisha is mainly agriculture dominated state, so agriculture will help in administration. I can closely see the policies, implementation of policy, and help in soil conservation, doubling farmer income, and rural development.
You have passed a high school certificate from
Borikhi.
High School.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's in Kujang Block, Jagatsinghpur.
Why Paradip is famous?
Sir, Paradip is famous for its Paradip port, its marine drive, and Nehru Bangla, Pathar Bandh, and one Jagannath temple is there.
What is the uniqueness in Paradip port? Specifically port.
Yes, sir.
কি বন্দর পাওয়া যায়?
Sir,
সেটি গভীরতা বেশি না কম?
sir, no, sir, I don't have any idea.
Try to have
Natural port or artificial port?
Sir, it's an artificial harbor.
Natural port, for example, port.
Sir, natural port, sir, right now I can't think of anything.
দেখি দেওয়া শিশু
Yes.
পর্যন্ত এরকম না।
Yes, sir.
What is your hobby?
Sir, my hobby is poetry writing and medicinal plant gardening.
Poetry.
Yes, sir.
Poetry.
Yes, sir. Sir, gote book publish karchi.
ନିଜେ କରୁଛୁ ନିଜେ ଗୋଟେ ବହି ପବ୍ଲିଶ କରୁଛୁ
Yes, sir.
କ'ଣ ବହିର ନାଁ
Sir, C is a book on women empowerment.
ଇଂଲିଶ
Yes, sir.
ବହିର ନାଁ କଣ?
C.
ସି
Yes, sir.
SEL.
SHE.
କେବଳ ପୋଏମ୍ ଅଛି ତା ଭିତରେ
Yes, sir.
ଇଂଲିଶ ସବୁ
Yes, sir.
ରିଭ୍ୟୁ କିଏ କରୁଛୁ
Sir, Kindle Diet publication ने publish करथली थो Amazon ने available अच्छी.
କ'ଣ ରେଟିଂ ଅଛି
Sir, rating.
anyway congratulations
Thank you, sir.
What are the medicinal plant? Give some names.
Sir, medicinal plants are mainly locally available: tulsi, ginger, neem, bell, ashwagandha, sarpagandha, aloe vera, blue pigeon pea. These are medicinal plants.
Have you any medicinal plant garden?
Yes, sir. In my home, I am cultivating ginger, tulsi is there, aloe vera is there, blue pigeon pea is there,
Where is it located?
Sir, in Kujang block. Yes.
Residence.
Yes, sir. Also,
Benefit of aloe vera?
sir, it's good for
Other
skin.
medicines?
Sir, it's good for skin and hair. Also, it helps in digestion.
You can take aloe vera juice
Yes, sir.
direct.
Yes, sir.
You have got your close to science from Ravenshaw Junior.
Yes, sir.
Why Ravenshaw is important? Famous.
Sir, Ravenshaw is first college which established in 1868 by Thomas Edwards Ravenshaw. Then it recently got university status 19 years back.
Okay.
Okay, now coming to the next question, what do you mean by artificial intelligence?
Sir, artificial intelligence is simulation of human intelligence by computer machine. So, sir, it thinks in a human way.
Can you use AI in soil research?
Yes, sir. AI will be very much helpful in soil research by soil predicting soil nutrient status, in modeling soil crop atmosphere modeling, and also in Internet of Things can be used by AI to help in smart irrigation.
Okay. Can you use AI in district administration or administration of people?
Yes, sir. AI can be used in review.
Just give me one example.
Sir, if there is like doing mundane works like I can in rural area AI can be used to study what is resource available, and according to it can suggest
That
which
is
one.
not mundane area, that's a good work.
No, sir. I mean high number of data can be.
Be made available.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. So, Mr.
Yes, sir.
What is the significance of PM Kisan?
Sir, PM Kisan Yojana is a central scheme which,
What is the main significance statement? What is the money the farmer will get?
sir, farmer will get 6,000.
Very good. So tell me what the significance of natural farming mission?
Sir, natural farming mission is promote natural farming without any external input. Natural farming is
That will start from zero budget.
yes, sir, zero
That is the
budget.
main,
Zero budget.
Tell me, what is the difference between watershed management and water divide?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Watershed management and water divide.
Sir, watershed management is a whole community development project where the
No. It is not like that. Water divide,
so water divide. I don't have any idea.
watershed management, water divide.
Yes, sir.
This topic is very important.
Yes.
What is CAT
Sir,
in agriculture?
sir,
Common area development. What does it mean?
it's a
No,
cat.
That's a very particular word, it has meaning. If you take the common area, the total area will be developed such and such way, that is not the answer. I am speaking CAT, common area development in agriculture.
Sorry, sir, I
That is
don't.
related to irrigation.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, my question is, the process of mulching helps a farmer in which way?
Sir,
Only points you tell. Give me the points.
sir, water conservation,
Very good, number one. Number two.
increase nutrient status of
Very
soil.
good. Number three.
Sir, by providing protecting crop from soil, sun.
Three out.
Uh, Sir,
Prevent the wild weeds.
yes, sir.
That's
Yes,
a very important.
yes, sir.
So, what is the MSP? Government has declared recently.
Sir, minimum support price is the price set before crop.
For the rice, government has declared how much already has been implemented.
Yes, sir.
So what is the price for the rice tomatoes?
Sir, for
Tomatoes,
yes, sir. For all India, price is 2,320. For in Odisha, another additional 800 price has been
How
given.
much it is coming?
Sir, 3,100.
Very good, very good, very good. So my last question is, what is the India's focus under G20 presidency in agriculture?
Sir, in
India
agriculture,
focus totally
so
under G20 presidency
yes, sir.
in
One.
agriculture.
Sir, One Life Mission. And
Please go through correctly. There are three important things: climate resilience,
resilient agriculture,
digital agriculture, digital agriculture, then about the food.
food safety, security. Okay, sir.
Okay. Sub SDG, that is that is
Sustainable development.
sustainable development one, SDG 1 or
Sir, zero hunger.
SDG 2.
No poverty. No poverty.
India what are well?
Sir, I might have said.
So please go through correctly. You are
Yes, sir.
well prepared yourself. How Sundar bottom position is all right. In which you are paying your delivering your answer is excellent. And smiling people. So
Yes, sir.
food destiny जीवन से
Sir, I'm Sambalpuri sari gote.
संबलपुर गले माने तुम पचेरी संबलपुरी साड़ी करी आ संबलपुर हैंडलूम करी के आएंगे पद्मश्री पहुंचते कैसे ये संबलपुरी ऊपर एक करी अभी भी का प्रेसिडेंट अगर वो टे की ना संबलपुरी साड़ी नहीं गिनते उटे तो हम प्रेसिडेंट जेल
Yes,
की
sir.
वो सब है इसे तब वो ये लेडी प्रेसिडेंट की
प्रतिभा.
से भी भाव करते
नया सोसाइटी
हाँ ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ବନେଇଥିବା ହସ୍ତତନ୍ତରେ ଯେ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ କଣ ଭେରି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜାଣିବେ ନା ସମ୍ବଲପୁର
ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ।
ହେଲା
Okay, sir.
ଆଉ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ଯଦି ମଣିଲେ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରରେ କିଏ ବି ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ସଙ୍ଗୀତକାରୀ ଗୀତ ବୋଲିକିରି ଗୀତ ଲେଖିକିରି
Sir, Haldhar Nag. Sri Haldhar Nag.
ହଳଧର ନାୟକ ହଁ ହଳଧର ନାୟକ ନାହିଁ ସମ୍ବଲପୁର ଗୀତ ଲେଖିକି କିଏ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ହଳଧର ନାୟକ ତ ଏମିତି ପୋଏଟ୍ ହିସାବରେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି
Yes, sir.
ସେ ତ ବଜାର ଘାଟ ସବୁଠି ସେ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ହିଁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ଭାଷାରେ ବୋଧେ 30ଟା ଖଣ୍ଡେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ତାଙ୍କର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିସାରିଲେ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ସଙ୍ଗ୍ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିଛ ସେମିତି ଖାଲି ଧରେ ଗୋଟେ ପକେଇଥିଲେ
Yes, sir, I have seen his photo.
କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ ଗୀତ ଲେଖି 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ ପାଇଲେ ଜଣେ ଗୀତିକାର ପାଇଲେ ଆଉ 2 ଜଣ ସିଙ୍ଗର ପାଇଲେ 3 ଜଣ ପାଇଲେ ରଙ୍ଗବତୀ ଗୀତ କିଏ ଗୀତିକାର କିଏ ଗାଇଥିଲେ ଦୁଇଟା କଲେକ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଏ ବର୍ଷ ପଦ୍ମଶ୍ରୀ କୋଉମାନେ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି ତା ଭିତରେ ଜଣେ ଭେଷଜ ବିଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସିଏ କିଏ ସେ ଜଗା ବଳିଆକୁ ସେପାରେଟ୍ କରିଥିଲେ ମଣ୍ଡଳୀଟାକୁ ସେ କିଏ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
Yes, sir. I read about him, but right now I can't recall.
ଅଶୋକ ମହାପାତ୍ର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର ଏ ସାର୍ ଏଇ 5 ଦିନ ତଳେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ପଠେଇଥିଲେ ଫଟୋ ଉଠି ନା କାନପୁର ହଁ ପଟେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଦିନ ମୋତେ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠନ୍ତି ଗୁଡ୍ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ମାନେ ଗଡ୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ ୟୁ କହି ଉଠେଇ ବିକଜ ସଞ୍ଜୀବ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ ରାଇଜ୍ ଏର୍ଲି 3:30 to 4 ଭିତରେ ଉଠିବ ସବୁ କାମ ସାରି by 7:30 ଭିତରେ if you take your breakfast you feel that you are free from 90% of the disease ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗର ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ ଇଏ LIC ରେ ଥିଲା ଶ୍ରୀକାନ୍ତ
Yes, sir.
SDG
Yes, sir. Sustainable Development Goals.
এটা সাস্টেনেবল ডেভেলপমেন্ট হয়েছে ফ্রম ভারত বর্ষ
यूनाइटेड नेशंस
Sir, 17 goals are there.
17 হ্যাঁ ওকে বহুত বড়িয়া পারফরম্যান্স ওকে
Sir,
ক্যাড হচ্ছে কমন এরিয়া ডেভেলপমেন্ট ইরিগেশন
yes, sir.
অন ফার্মিং ডেভেলপমেন্ট সেটা অন্য কাম যাহা বি করে ভুলে
Yes, sir.
ସବୁ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ୱାର୍ଡ ସବୁ ଅଛି ଯେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଅଛି ଚିପକୋ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ
Yes, sir.
ତାକୁ ବିଷୟ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର
हम प्लस 2 केले पास करने
Sir, 2012.
କୋଉଠି ପାସ୍ କଲେ
Sir, Revensa Junior College.
ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ soil science ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ୱାର୍ଡ ଟେ କହିବେ the science of ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କହିବେ
Pedology, sir.
the soil farming process ତାକୁ
Sir.
କ'ଣ କହିବେ
Sir, perology,
Perogenesis.
perogenesis.
ସେଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ୱାର୍ଡ ଅଛି ଫର୍ଟିଲାଇଜେସନ
Yes, sir.
ଏଟା ମୋ ପାଠ ସବୁ
Sir, fertilization is process happening in sir, temperate region. It having
ଆପଣ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ପିଲା ହିଁ ପୋଲିନେସନ କହିବେନି
sir,
କ୍ଲାସିଫିକେସନ କହିବେନି
sir, fertilization.
ଭଲ କି ପଢିବେ
yes,
ଆପଣ
sir.
ଡାଉଟ ଅଛି
Sir,
ସାଲିନାଇଜେସନ କହିବେନି
sir, fertilization
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଆସିବ.
କହିଲେ କୋରେସନ କଣ ସର୍ଜେନ୍ସ ଏତେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି କୋରେସନ କଣ କୋରେସନ କଣ
Sir,
କୋରେସନ
sir, I don't know.
ଇଲୁ
Sir, illusion. Sir,
ଇଲୁ କଣ
Sir.
କାଗଜରେ ଦେଖ ଇଲୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ କୁମାର ଗୋଟେ ପିକ୍ଚର ଥିଲା ସେ ଇଣ୍ଡିକେଟ କରୁଥିଲା ପାଠ ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ସଏଲ
sir, elevation is
ଆଇ ଓ ଇ
E.
ଏଇଟା କଣ
Sir,
Going down.
sir,
Rediposition
leaching
is
up in a
erosion.
lower layer.
और जो रिडिपोजिशन होची सॉइल रो
Sir,
इरोजन
yes, sir.
जो इरोजन हे जाउची
Sir.
बर्न डाउन हे जाउची दैट इरोजन
Yes, sir.
कोरेशन कोरेशन जदि ए लागि गला सीओ आर ए लागि गला सेटा होची फिजिकल वेदरिंग
Yes, sir.
आ कोरोशन हो सीओ आर हो लागि गला केमिकल
Chemical
वेदरिंग
welding.
बुझुची
Yes,
फिजिकल वेदरिंग को ऊपरे गोटे कोठा ऊपर देखि गोटे बड़ गछटे उठुची देखो पत्र सब हाई दे जाला फिजिकल इरोजन
Yes, sir.
केमिकल इरोजन कोन आपण रड टारे अछि रस्टिंग हो गला फेरिक ऑक्साइड हो गला फेरस ऑक्साइड हो गला केमिकल इरोजन
Yes, sir.
बुझुची
Yes, sir.
गोटे कोरोसन गोटे कोरोसन
Yes, sir.
एते पाठ पढुछनी बड़ा सब कॉमन है ना
এটা ফার্স্ট টাইম পাইলো
Yes, sir.
ইউপিএসসি দিন
No, sir.
চেষ্টা করে
चेष्टा करंतु आपण इच्छा शक्ति अछि
এর পাঠ
जिज्ञासा अछि जिज्ञासा आपण ऊपर बहुत ऊपर कुछ ऑल द बेस्ट के तारीख अछि आपण
Sir, 12 तारीख.
12 तारीख
Yes, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया कुछ ऑल द बेस्ट
Sir, କିଛି suggestion ମାନେ କୋଉଠି improvement?
सजेशन मो तरफ आपण सब ठीक अछि किंतु टिके
practice करन
जनरल
express
करंट न्यूज़ ओडिशा अस्मिता ऊपर ओडिया भाषा ऊपर ओडिया रो लोकन को ऊपर टिके जानिया दरकार
Yes, sir.
जो माने हम पे गर्व
Yes, sir.
अभी कौन लेक्चर
Sir, poetry writing medicinal plan करेंगे.
पोएट्री
বইয়ের কপি আছে
Sir, বইয়ের copy ଅଛି.
নেই তো সারা আমার
Sir,
पोएट्री अच्छा उमर खान ना अच्छा बहुत कथा अछि किंतु लेक्चर हा ठीक अछि
yes, sir.
ओके ऑल द बेस्ट ना कोन बजेरिया अछि
sir, ଯଦି poetry recite କରିବାକୁ କହିବେ ମୁଁ କୋଉ ବିଷୟ recite କରିବି? Motivational ନା patriotic ନା nature?
ফ্যাক্টরি কর
ନାଇଁ ନିଜର
निज सर
पोएट्री को से कहबे को पोएट्री अपन पढନ୍ତି
आज्ञा.
को पोएट्री भल लागे ओडिया कोन से के पद्यर बहुत
মানে
माने
इंग्लिश
नाम
रे
इंग्लिश में तो ओडिया जानिबो
Sir, ओडिया भी लिखे.
ନାଇଁ
ଓଡ଼ିଆ
ନାଇଁ
ବି
ମୁଁ
ଲେଖେ ସେ।
କହିଲେ ସେ ନିଜରଟା
हां
ବେଷ୍ଟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ
आपण
ଗୋଟେ
जो निजर बॉडी करछन
आज्ञा.
कहबे
आज्ञा.
तापर करछन
sir, women
मॉडर्न पोएम
sir, modern poem ସେଥିରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ poem women issue ଅଛି, ଝାନ୍ସୀ ରାଣୀଙ୍କ ବିଷୟ ଅଛି, ସୀତା ମାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟ ଅଛି, ଆର୍ଟ ବିଷୟ ଅଛି, ସବୁ ଜାଗା
कोन कोन दिन जटा
ଝାନ୍ସୀ ରାଣୀଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଛି, ସୀତା ମାଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଛି, ଆର୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଓମେନ୍ ମାନଙ୍କ ସବୁ ସେକ୍ଟର
Women empowerment.
ଯେ ମଦର ଯେ ସବୁ
ठीक बड़ा ठीक है
পিএইচডি থিসিস আছে না করে
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ କରେନି.
কোন করে নিয়ে তো করে
थीसिस और डिसर्टेशन में डिफरेंस
Sir, I have no idea.
एमफिल डिसर्टेशन कह जाए प्रोजेक्ट गोटे प्रोजेक्ट भी कह जाए इट हैज सम मीनिंग प्रोजेक्ट कहीं कह जाए डिसर्टेशन कहीं थीसिस कौन ठीक देख दे बाबू
Yes, sir.
आपण पीएचडी करथुन ना कॉलेज ऑफ पीएचडी
Yes, sir.
पीएचडी न्यू फाइंडिंग्स उठो
Yes, sir.
नुआ जिंस जहा करिवे केही करनथि दुनिया को गोटे नुआ नूतन दिशा देबे
Yes, sir.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସମସ୍ତ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଡିସର୍ଟେସନଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ତ ଟୋଟାଲ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଧର ହୀରାକୁଦ ଅଛି ତାକୁ ଆଣି ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ହୀରାକୁଦ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ମୁଁ ଲେଖିବି ଯାହା ଅଛି ସେ ଲେଖିବା
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଥେସିସ୍ ହେଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନ୍ୟୁ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଜିନିଷ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଟୋଟାଲି ଫ୍ରମ୍ ୟୁର ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆଣ୍ଡ ୟୁର ଏକ୍ସପେରିମେଣ୍ଟ ଓକେ ଇଏ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Namaskar.
রিজাল্ট আমার